What's going on, everyone? Today we are going to open up some mail and talk a little bit about what we are looking forward to at this year's Food and Wine Festival, which is starting off here in just a couple of weeks. We're actually going to be there for the opening day. Just real quick, there are some new items that are coming to the Food and Wine Festival, and there are two things that I'm looking forward to. I think one thing Taylor's really going to be into. So one of the new things that's coming is the New Brunswick Slider Slow Braised Beef Brisket, pot roast style, with horseradish cream, crispy fried onions on a potato roll with pickled vegetables on the side. This is going to be located at Hops and Barley Marketplace, which is basically... The Hops and Barley is located in the American Adventure Pavilion, I'm pretty sure. The next thing that's new this year is the Butternut Squash Ravioli with brown butter, vinaigrette, Parmesan cheese, and pumpkin seeds. This is a vegetarian option. It's going to be located at the Wine and Dine Studio, and it actually kind of sounds pretty good. This is something I might actually like to try as well. Hey, psychos, let's go. Come on.
People wanted more of the dogs in the home vlogs. They're fine. As long as they don't knock the camera over.
Alright, so and the third and last thing that's going to be new to this year, I think Taylor's really going to be looking forward to, is the charred chimichurri skirt steak.
Dogs are about to run into the camera. People wanted the dogs in some more of our home vlogs, so here you go.
Crazies. So the third thing, and I think something that Taylor's really going to like, is the charred chimichurri skirt steak smoked corn cake with pickled vegetable slaw and cilantro. This is going to be located at Flavors from Fire. If you guys recall, last year Flavors from Fire was actually one of the newer stands, and they had some amazing food there.
That's where they had your little corned beef thing.
Yeah, it was the corned beef with the potato chips,
The nacho or whatever.
and the like a beer cheese, almost like fondue over top. It was absolutely amazing. I don't know if they're still gonna have that this year.
We went back for it a lot.
We're gonna go and look at the menus.
I've already pulled up the menus of all the things that I want to try again, and some new things that I want to try. So I'm just going in order based on the menus. These aren't really in order how that stands will actually be set up in World Showcase. But the first one looks appealing to me, and I've actually had this before, is the beer braised beef served with smoked Gouda and mashed potatoes. That sauce and that beer braised beef is so good, and the taste of the Gouda and the mac and cheese is amazing. I am already looking forward to having that again. Last year, I remember I did stand in a really long line, and you know how we are with not liking to stand in lines, so I did stand in a line for that though. Josh, what's something you're looking forward to?
So I think one thing that I'm definitely going to be looking forward to is just the area that has the Active Eats, the Earth Eats.
Oh yeah.
And what's the other? I'm trying to find it real quick. There's also
Coastal Eats? Coastal
Eats and Flavors from Fire are all right there. The one thing I'm really looking forward to at Earth Eats is the Steakhouse Blended Burger.
Oh my gosh,
it's a blended beef and wild mushroom slider with brie cheese, fondue, arugula, truffle, and blue cheese potato chip on a brioche bun. Sounds really amazing.
Yes, it does.
One thing I'm definitely looking forward to this year.
Yeah, I actually have that pulled up in my menus too. It's something I want to try. Is that new?
I do believe that is new from last year.
Yeah,
the Earth Eats was there, but I don't think they had the burger there last year.
Yeah, I don't think they did either.
So I have Flavors from Fire pulled up right now. They do still have the smoked corned beef with warm crispy potatoes, pickled onions, and blonde ale beer fondue. This was an amazing dish last year. I went back for it several times. I think it's going to be perfect.
So this is something that I have been wanting to try every year. So we've lived in Florida for 2 years now and have been to 2 food and wine festivals. This will be our 3rd one. And I've been wanting to try this every time, but I have not yet. And it is in Brazil, which is near France. It is the Brazilian cheese bread. I really want to try that. Every time we go past there, they are either out and they're preparing more, or there's a super long line, so I have not tried it yet. So I definitely want to try and get that on the first day this year.
Obviously, the other thing that I'm really looking forward to are the ciders. These are brand new, totally different. They haven't had these at all before, but they're going to be located at the Light Lab. The Light Lab is located in Innovations.
Right behind Club Cool.
But basically, here is what they're going to have. So they're going to have Original Sin Dry Rose Hard Cider from New York, New York. Three Daughters Brewing Blueberry Peppercorn Hard Cider. That sounds really amazing. The last one is the Cider Boys Zenberry Hard Cider from Stevens Point, Wisconsin. You can also get that in a cider flight. I'll probably do that, and then I'll probably be back several times again.
Next up on my list is not a surprise at all, is the Canadian cheddar cheese soup. They do serve it with a small pretzel roll, and it is just enough for the small cup of soup that you get. It is so good. Actually, I really like both things that they have at the Canada Pavilion. They have the Le Cellier wild mushroom fillet with a truffle butter sauce. Oh my gosh, they're so good.
I think one other thing I'm really looking forward to is from India. They have several different things here that I think are good. The korma chicken with cucumber tomato salad is amazing. And then they're also going to have a warm Indian bread with pickled garlic, mango salsa, and coriander pesto dips. Sounds phenomenal. I think we just had India for the first time last year. It was really good. It was very surprising. Something I'm definitely looking forward to.
The India booth was right next to the China Pavilion.
Yes.
And speaking of China, that's what I'm on next. I really want the Beijing roasted duck bao. Oh my gosh. It was so good. It has hoisin sauce, and that hoisin sauce is amazing. I remember last year in our vlog from there, people thought I was saying poison sauce. I have one last thing. Josh wants me to wrap this up, so I'm gonna wrap it up with one of the best things here. This is from the Chocolate Studio. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I had this almost every single time we went to Epcot, and Josh kept saying, would you please quit getting that? You've gotten it every single time. It's the liquid nitro chocolate truffle. It has warm caramel whiskey sauce. It also has like some almonds in there too. It is so good. It like melts in your mouth. And now it is really hot out still when Food and Wine Festival starts, so
it is.
You have to eat it like as soon as you get it or it's gonna melt because it's so cold. I am looking forward to that one. Good throw. You almost hit our Food and Wine Festival glass.
All right, so that is a few things that we're looking forward to for Food and Wine. Obviously, we're gonna do like a full review when we get there, probably not in one day, but we do like to try to spread it out a little bit. Something we're super excited for. Let's break into the mail.
Mail time!
So we're gonna start with postcards. We always start with postcards first.
That's just like our little, what we do. So this first one here is from Charlotte, the Queen City of North Carolina. Hey Josh and Taylor, I love your videos. Look forward to watching them each day. They give me a daily dose of Disney World. Hope to run into you guys when I'm there in February. From Savannah. P.S. Just joined the Facebook group and love it. Awesome! Thanks, Savannah.
Very cool.
It's cute. It's like glittery.
Come back to a friend, and it's from the Serrata Beach Resort and Conference Center. Not sure where exactly that is. Hi, Josh and Taylor. Started watching your videos a couple months ago. Here we only get a few months of summer weather, so think about Florida often. You guys have actually done it. Moved there and lived there. You guys seem very genuine and are a great couple to watch. You are living the dream. The last one I watched was your review of the Four Seasons Italian restaurant, where you ate and ate, haha, and ate. Yeah, we definitely did. It looked like a great restaurant. Thanks for your videos, Kim T. Sorry, that was Jazzy. She's being a little crazy.
She get a little feisty.
Awesome, yeah, thank you very much. It was definitely not super easy for us to make the move, and the stars basically aligned for us to make it happen as quickly as we did, as smoothly as we did, I guess, for the most part. But
we need to like make a video about how we moved here and everything.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure we could probably do that at some point.
Yeah, because people always ask.
Yeah, but thank you, Kim, very much. We really appreciate it. It will be added to the book.
I'm just going to start at the top of the pile and work my way down. So this one is from Karen.
Did she send us food?
I don't know. It's in like a Tupperware container.
Oh, that's weird.
I don't think it's like food though. Oh, it's like a little scrapbook. It legit is.
Oh, whoa. Are these e-ticket cards?
Oh my gosh!
Whoa, that's crazy. I've never seen these before in my life.
Oh my gosh.
That's
They're
awesome.
tickets from a book, from the e-ticket booklet. It says, exclusively for members of Disney's Magic Kingdom Club. Adventure ticket book includes Walt Disney World transportation and admission.
I see you used up all the e-tickets.
Yeah, mine has a B and an A left.
We have a C. So here's what the C ticket attractions were at the time.
Oh, and this is a junior. Yours is an adult.
So I don't know exactly when the date was of this, but at the time, this 10 adventure ticket book cost $8.25. But here are some of the C ticket attractions at the Magic Kingdom. Main Street was the Walt Disney World Railroad steam trains. Same goes for Frontierland because that was the second stop. In Fantasyland, you had Peter Pan's Flight, Snow White's Scary Adventure, and Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. And in Tomorrowland, the Grand Prix Raceway, which is the Tomorrowland Speedway today. So,
I can't
pretty crazy.
even. I'm like getting teary-eyed. This is so awesome. Mine has Adventureland, Swiss Family Island Treehouse, Frontierland, the Shootin' Gallery, Liberty Square, Mike Fink Keelboats, and Fantasyland, Dumbo the Flying Elephant, or the Mad Tea Party.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's so cool. Thank you very much. That's awesome.
I love this.
So
oh my
cool.
gosh, this even says Tomorrowland, Circle Vision 360, If You Had Wings, and Carousel of Progress.
Oh, very cool.
Oh, look, a postcard from Castaway Key!
Oh, that's awesome.
Ah, I love
Very
it.
cool.
There's a couple more in there too, but let me read the note.
Karen, right?
Yep.
Thank you. I'm gonna eat these right now.
Dear Taylor and Josh, thank you so much for all your hard work on the vlogs. You give me such joy with your videos. It curbs some of my Disney withdrawal. I'm enclosing some Disney brochures, a Harry Potter brochure from summer it opened. Oh, cool! I have also enclosed 2 partially used ticket books, 1 adult, 1 child, from back in the early days of the park. Those are some of my favorite possessions. Don't worry, I kept some for myself. I have made Taylor a scrapbook for the teacup skirt photo shoot. That's cool! I also enclosed a tape runner to put in pictures, and I didn't want to leave Josh out. So I enclosed the obvious gummy bears, and then there are some postcards. I know how you love them. And lastly, tasty cakes from my neck of the woods in PA, Philadelphia. Keep the videos coming. I love the live streams because I am not one with social media. I love the dining reviews. They have changed my choices and given me new ideas. Thanks again for all your hard work. I hope you enjoy everything. From Karen. P.S. There are instructions on how to draw some Disney characters. They are from the cruise.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah! I want to look at the rest of this stuff.
I'm already diving into the gummies.
So there are some tasty cakes. There's some Starburst gummies. There's also
Oh wow, is that from the Lion King?
a Lion King postcard, a Hollywood Studios park map, whenever the Osborne Spectacle of Lights was still there. It says my name on it, Taylor. Aww, it's all about the skirt. Teacup photo shoot, Beach Club to Boardwalk, July 11th, 2018. That was when we did it. And there's like all kinds of like cute little paper in there with Minnie and Mickey, and there's like beach stuff. This is like perfect because I think scrapbooking is so cool, but I like never know how to make it look awesome. It looks like the Jelly Rolls wall. This even says about when we went to Beaches and Cream with Jason and his son. His son was Little Nate.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Oh, well, thank you very
I love
much.
this.
Very cool. Well, thank you, Karen.
I love all this meal stuff because like, even if it's something that was like purchased or whatever,
Yeah, knife.
everything is so meaningful from all of you to us. Like, whether it's a butter knife for Josh, that little scrapbook for me,
Oh,
or
yeah.
even just like park maps you picked up while you were in a park. Somebody got me a really cute Minnie Mouse t-shirt that was hot pink, which pink is like my favorite color. I wore that the other day.
All right, so
turn.
we got a Moose Toys box. I've never seen this before. Wow, this is not what I was expecting. So I guess this Moose Toys, what's in the box is something that Disney actually has sent us. Thanks Disney for sending us these Doorables. These Disney Doorables.
Just to try.
Yeah.
I think these are really cute. Oh, this is actually the front. You can collect 78. They're for ages 5+, so perfectly good for me.
So
is that one Alice?
This one is Alice in Wonderland. So
oh, that's cute.
they sent this to us for free. I guess we'll add it to our collection of Disney stuff on our shelf that we still haven't got set up yet.
Discover the ultimate unboxing experience. Open the door to reveal how many doors you have. You will find 5, 6, or 7 doors. What awaits you behind each door? Your favorite Disney Doorables character with sparkly, glittery eyes. So tiny and cute you can't help but collect them all. Will you find a limited edition? Can I open it?
Well, I guess we have to open it up right now and find out.
I gotta find out what's behind the doors and how many doors we got.
We're gonna open up the
It
doors.
does kind of look like the intro
Find out
to
what's
Monsters
inside.
Inc.
Oh, they're actually
now
in a
they're in a package. Oh, so it's like real surprising. Oh my gosh, they're adorable!
I think that's Rue.
It is! Oh my goodness.
I don't see him on this box though.
Yeah, there's not 78 on that box. Okay, I really hope this focuses. Oh my gosh.
It's pretty good right there.
He's adorable! I think that's why they're called Doorables!
Alright, hold on. I want to open up one.
Look at his little eyes.
Alright, so I'm going to open up one next.
Oh, I want a Kakamora.
Is this a metallic figure? No.
That's
But it's, I almost wanted to say Todd from Fox and the Hound.
No!
But he's a fox.
He is a fox. Oh my gosh, you don't know his name? We watch Zootopia every night before we go to bed.
I know.
This is our last Storybowl. It's adorable.
Adorable.
And they are literally so adorable. I thought this was going to be Tinkerbell because I saw the wings and the blonde hair. But it's the blue fairy. That one says exclusive Alice figure.
So it's an exclusive Alice figure. And right here behind this door is another figure.
So it's got Alice's like little house thing with like it's like looks like a teacup. It's got a handle on it. You can actually collect a bunch of these and then you can like stack them and put them beside each other. Oh my gosh. We got Roz.
Oh, that's funny. Well, hey, thank you Disney for sending us those doorables for free. Really appreciate that. It's awesome. They're going to go right up on the shelf.
Oh my gosh, we love collectible things.
Awesome.
So this one actually came from an eBay store. It's a little Mickey Mouse picture frame.
Oh, very
from
cool.
Disney Cruise Line. He looks like Captain Mickey. He's so cute.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you very much. We really appreciate that.
I'm getting a corner shelf. You might not be able to see. There's a corner right over there. This will go perfect on our corner shelf.
I'm not exactly sure who it's from, but...
Yeah, it says Michelle on this package, but I'm not sure if it's actually from Michelle or if that's just who it was being shipped from. But whoever sent us this, thank you so much. It's super cute.
It is. It's very cool. Thank you.
I like it.
Next package is from Brooke in Georgia. Uh-oh. I think this
Oh, that ain't for Josh. That ain't for Josh.
Whoa, look at those.
Oh, these are awesome. And you know what? It's so funny because I was literally looking at a pair of ears with this print the other day and I was so tempted to buy them. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are like, this is legit Epcot print ears. Oh my gosh. And I didn't even wear ears in this video. What in the world? I know these don't match my outfit, but I don't care.
All right, so hey Josh and Taylor, my name is Brooke and I'm a college student from a little town in North Georgia. My family and I love watching your videos. Thank you.
I'm pretty sure Brooke is in our Facebook group.
Oh, maybe she is. Thanks to your videos, my boyfriend and I were able to plan our first solo Disney trip this past 4th of July. That's awesome. We got to see the new Toy Story Land and we're actually able to ride Slinky Dog with only a 30-minute wait. My family and I are headed back down to the parks on August 10th and 11th and hope to run into y'all. My Disney addiction started at a young age because my dad is actually a former cast member. Oh, that's very cool. So as a child, I grew up going to the parks, but just this year we all decided to become annual pass holders. And we try to visit as frequently as possible. That's the thing, when you become an annual pass holder, it's almost like you have to keep coming back. Taylor, I hope you enjoyed the Epcot theme park ears I made for you.
You made these? Oh my gosh, they're awesome. They're like professionally done. P.S. Veronica got a matching pair of ears so y'all can match on your next outing.
Very cool.
Cool. You can cut it open, but I want to open it.
I want to open it.
I want to open it.
Look, you got everything. Everything's been for you.
But guess what? Guess how many gummy bears you got in the last mail vlog, honey?
I did get a lot of gummy bears.
You did.
I hope there's some gummy bears in here. All right, this package is from Lorraine. Whoa.
Oh, we looked at that one.
Oh yeah, we did. Very cool. So it's a mug from 2017.
I remember because that handle was awesome.
So it has basically Mickey on it with Cinderella's Castle, Spaceship Earth, the Tree of Life, and the Hollywood Tower of Terror.
That's so cool.
Very cool. Thank you so much. I'm going to add it to my collection. And they'll be thrown into the rotation of my mugs because I have so many. It's like, you know, I have to switch them out every day so I can get them all through. I think that does it for our mail.
I think so.
Thank you again, everybody. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for all of this. This is awesome.
It is.
So this is our new Disney office. We haven't really filmed anything in here yet. We just moved. That's why we haven't been really posting every single day like we normally have been. So we're trying to get organized in here. And all these little knickknacks will be awesome additions to our new office here. And because we did talk about food and wine at the beginning of this video, let us know in the comments what you are looking forward to most from Food and Wine Festival, because I know we're pretty excited.
It's right around the corner.